A very good morning and welcome to Rajya Sabha TV. You are watching the Breakfast News, where we get you the biggest news stories from India and across the world. My name is Aishwarya and these are the headlines.
Putin won't live to see Ukraine victory, Russia state TV fears. Russian President Vladimir Putin and other leading Kremlin figures may not live long enough to see any successes for Moscow in Ukraine, according to a Russian state television commentator. Despite Russia making some progress in its invasion effort, one state media pundit questioned the timeline of the war, which could last 4 decades. Any hopes for a quick victory in Ukraine were quickly dashed for Putin after Russian troops poured into Ukraine on February 24, 2022. The war has now been described as attritional, and may end up as a protracted conflict, not unlike the 10-year-long Soviet war in Afghanistan during the 1980s. Speculation has surrounded Putin's health throughout the war so far, but little is known for certain about the 70-year-old's medical record. Speaking on the Russia One state television channel, commentator Sergei Mikheyev, described as a political scientist, suggested the Ukraine war could outlast the lifespan of many, including the Kremlin's top figures. If we keep proceeding in this manner and at this speed, you and I won't live long enough to see any successes, he told guests, including anchor Vladimir Solovyov, in a clip translated and posted by journalist Julia Davis. Let's be honest with ourselves, Mikheyev added. Our leadership won't live long enough for that either.